Gotta be rough on that shit. Oh wow. Chocolate skateboards. No. These are some Flatface G8 wheels. G8 frosted clear. Oh wow. G16 board. Looks like a Swedish hockey team. The ply combination. Oh. Nice. I got some foam tape because these ones don't come with any. Let's set it up. I'm not gonna do a grip job with a design or anything. In my experience, the grip just wears faster that way. What a mess! Oh no! I usually put the trucks on first. Damn. I have to redo it. I mean, I can't live with that. God damn. It's sticky. Got some trucks. Got some trucks right here. First you put in one of the screws, a screw, and then the truck. Oh my god, I'm not good at this. My god, don't use the Lord's name in vain. I gotta remember to look into the camera so the focus stays right. This is gonna look like a clown board, man. Purple top bushing and these colors. Well, it kind of fits the theme. Damn, I'm clumsy, man. I'm so clumsy. Jesus, it's in and out of focus all the time. Oh my god. Not looking forward to editing and cutting this clip up. All the dead noise. Look at that. Looks pretty nice. And by the way, these trucks are Voldemort trucks. No, but they're from Levi. People say they look like BRT knockoffs, but let me go grab a board with BRTs. This is an old Berlingwood from 2010. And look at the hangers. They are completely different. This looks like Ace trucks, the skateboard truck. And these look like something else. Maybe Thief trucks, a titanium truck brand. But I don't see the similarity. It's better than the voices in my head. What was that? A lock nut? Why are everybody obsessed with lock nuts. Why even mention it? It's like standard now. Let's put some wheels on. Hopefully they fit. They fit. Wow. It's shorter as well. I wonder if that's gonna feel weird. And the kicks are steeper. Look at that. First kickflip test. Which one is the nose and the tail? This looks like the nose. It's a bit longer. Oh, Jesus. Woo! No kickflips for me. God damn. I can't even pop the thing. It's the timing. It's way off for me. There. God damn. Oh, frontside flips. Yeah, nollie flips are easier. It's flying, man. Maybe you know what it is? What it is? These wheels are huge and the kicks are way higher, steeper, so it's a radical difference. It's a crazy difference. Maybe if I put the white wheels on this guy and the clear wheels on this, it will be better. Better for me. Let's try to land something.